Hi everyone. In our previous video, we have reviewed how to set up organization structure in Zoho People. To set designation, department, and locations are equally important to get clarity on workflow, hierarchy, and policies. So in this video, let's check how to set up these details in organization structure in Zoho People. To set these details, go to settings, manage accounts, org setup, locations. So from here, we can add a new location by clicking on this add location button. We can set new location. We can add code if we are having code for that particular location. We need to select this required details. Of course, the details are not mandatory, but we can set based on a requirement. So I'm setting all the details. Time zone. Of course, time zone is not mandatory, but it's suggested that as all the required information regarding this location will be directly connected with time zone. So it's suggested to add this details as shift and attendance will be depending on this time zone. So we can add all these details from here and we can submit details by clicking on this details. So this is how we can add a new location by clicking on add location. And if we want to update or edit any existing data, we just need to simply click on that details. We can click on this edit icon and can update the details and can submit from here. So under this screen, you will be able to view the list of all the locations that you are having. If you want to add multiple locations, if you are having a list of locations with you, so to avoid manual data entry, you can just go to import. You can download the sample template. Just need to fill the required details, whatever in the template, and can upload file from here. After uploading file, you will be able to view the list of your locations from here. Also, you can review the associated users on that particular location. As we are having one user from Ahmedabad and one user from Bangalore, so we can check these details from here. Next is department. To add a new department, we can add department by clicking on that and can add new department code if you are having code of that particular department. Department lead will be the managing person who will be the responsible for that particular department. We can say head of the department, so we can select head of the department from here. If this particular department is following hierarchy for the parent-child department for the reporting purpose, then we need to select parent department for that. If we are not having such details, then we can keep it as a blank and can submit this data. So this is how you can add new department manually. If you are having a list of departments with you, to avoid manual data entry, you can just go to import file. You can download sample template from here. You just need to fill the required details and can upload file from here. After uploading the file, you will be able to view these details in the screen. Next is designation. To add any new designation, we just need to click on add designation. We can add HR executive and designation code if we are having, mail alias and string. So if you are having these details, we can edit or submit by here. So this is how we can add new designation by clicking on this. And if you are having list of designations, then you can directly import your file from here, download sample template and upload file. So this is how we can do a manual addition of department designation and locations, and also we can have a mass bulk data upload in the system. Thank you.